How to pay with Temu credit. So basically, we're trying to pay on a specific product that we want to purchase on Temu by using our credit cards. So what you want to do is, again, pull up your Temu application if you're using your mobile device, or just simply go to the Temu.com's official site if you're through a web, and then make sure that you are successfully logged into your account. So basically, the very first thing that we will do is to add something in our cart. So say for example, we will be adding out this shades right here. So just simply click on that, and we'll have to click the shades again to add this item on our cart. Or for a fast fix, just click this cart icon right here so that it will automatically be added. So in here, you just have to choose on what specific brand or what specific color you want, and just choose on add now. Okay, let's just go ahead and make our go to our checkout page. So in here, you just have to go directly to your checkout page. So in here, this is going to be your checkout page. So as you can see at the right portion of your screen, you should be able to see payment methods. So they have like Gcash, e-wallets, PayPal, Visa, and so on and so forth. Now you just have to choose on the specific credit card that you have already linked to your Temu account, and that's how you can pay it through a credit. And again, that's how you pay with Temu using your Temu credit.